raining out here. I'm going to go in for the night. It's early yet. It's only like 7 o'clock. We're supposed to get some heavy rain throughout the night. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna lower that down over there, over the fire. See if I can do this with one hand. Make sure it's on here nice and square. I have to lower it down a little bit more there. Okay, it's all sealed up nice. And we'll see in the morning after we have all this hard rain what dry coals that we have in the morning. So we'll see you in the morning. Well, it's raining right now. We just went in and it's coming down pretty good steady stream here. But it's supposed to rain real heavy tonight, so we'll look in the morning and see what we have. All right, we had to wait until it got light out. It rained most of the night. It did. It stopped a couple times. It stopped raining now, but it's been like 12 and a half hours because we went in early last night, like 6:30 because it started raining, and it's right around a little after 7 o'clock now. So we're going to go out and see if what we have left for a fire, because that we covered right up. It's nice and tight, and we didn't have a real big coal bed in there. It's not like that we sat around the fire all night and had a big thick coal bed. So, well, we'll go out and see what we have out there. Alright, we're going to pull this up. I haven't looked in there yet, so I don't know what we have. We'll take the blower here and see if we have dust and if we can find any coals. Pull it up here, see what we have. Well, this is the first time I pulled this up. So take this. See how dry that is? All that ash. You come over here, I seen sparks. Right there's some coal right there. This is after 12 and a half hours. Whoop, he blew away. We're coming. We get another coal here. Whoop. Whoop, he blew away. That's after 12.5 hours of it raining. Most of that 12.5 hours. Within a couple minutes, we start a fire. Well, that was without just using what's in there. And this is just as dry as can be. When you lower this down, just want to make sure you have a good seal. This is a 20-inch rack, and it fills this rim up nicely. Most of your campgrounds have, a lot of your campgrounds have rims, or even if a fire pit, you can make it so if you had stones, you could fit this in there. 17-inch will do the same. It will just fit down inside closer, and you would have most likely have a wet ring, but it would still be dry in the middle. But I think that's pretty impressive that we were able, after rain, all that rain, heavy rain all night long, that you can start a fire. Go on our website, scoffoutdoorcooking.com, and watch our other videos. Making Time Now, MTN, and watch our trip to Alaska and stuff. But like I said, the EZ Campfire Oven does so much more than smoking or an oven. It protects your fire. And if the wind was blowing, your sparks wouldn't be blowing all over too if it was a nice dry night out. So what SCOF stands for: smoker, cooker, oven, fire saver, fire prevention. And last night it saved a fire. So till we see you again, make sure you make yourself some time now.